We are going to the
Virgin
Beach. But she's not virgin.
She's virgin. Her car is still virgin.
She is still virgin.
She is still virgin. She is still.
Are you? Are you a virgin?
Olly, Olly, mau kemana? Where are we going? Where are we going? We're going to the beach. Is it?
Wih, GR antum.
Kentut.
Takut betul aku masuk. Cewek banget ya kamu ya sayang.
Dia tuh kalau kepanasan pinter nyari tempat teduh. Gak kayak Agus.
Pas gue kayak gitu baru tuh biasa.
Hah?
Kita lagi di Virgin Beach. Tapi teman-teman aku nggak virgin ya guys. Nah guys, akses ke Virgin Beach ini cukup mudah. Kalian tinggal buka Google Maps, ketik aja Virgin Beach dan bakal ketahuan berapa lama rutenya. Kalau nggak salah sih dari Denpasar, dari rumah aku di Gatsu Barat itu sampai ke Virgin Beach itu makan waktu 2 jam ya. Dan aku juga mau kasih info, di tempat lokasi yang sama itu terdapat camping ground namanya Bukit Asah. Ini recommended banget buat kalian yang ingin kejar sunrise. Di sini the best banget sunrise-nya. Oke guys, sampai ketemu di next trip selanjutnya. Bye bye.
Sometimes someone comes into your life so unexpectedly. Sometimes someone turns to be the one that gives you everything, just like you did. Took me by surprise, made me complete. You changed my life, made me believe in real love. And now my heart beats, it beats for you. Since you came into my life, I never felt like so in love and so excited, cause you're so right. Now I'll never leave in your side, cause you're mine.